for you! Welcome back, I am Captain Xavier, and I am a shameless fan of getting free stuff. I will not deny that one tiny little bit. And for those of you that have been watching my reviews of stuff that people have sent me, know that I've been slowly but surely building a Stryfe War primary. And I'm loving where it's gone so far. So far, I have put in the worker kit that was given to me by one company. I have also now put in the select fire kit that was given to me by a different company. The stock was also given to me. Today we're going to be adding some stuff that was sent to me by a company called Banggood. They've sent me a number of things that there's more that I still need to review, and I've done a couple of reviews. But they contacted me and asked if I wanted more stuff, and I did. So they have sent me most of the rest of the cosmetic kit to make this into a vector. And so I'm going to be installing that. There's a few more parts that I need, so we will see what's still needed after I get this together. So, let's get right to it. The first part, we're going to go with the easiest one, are the little part section that just get pushed in right here on either side to then allow you to screw on rail, either Nerf rail or Picatinny rail. And just kind of fills in the gap that's right there and allows you to add rail. I don't have the rail, though. That's one of the things that I still need, but it does clean that up a little bit. The next piece goes here on the top, and again, fills in a cosmetic gap, as it were. And it just clips right on there and then has a pin that you push in. And that's all there is to it. It doesn't have any kind of permanent screws. That pin can be popped right back out again, and you can take the whole kit off. It's very well attached, though. It's not going to fall off on you. The final part is, of course, the big part, and that is the magazine well and barrel section. We will start with the magazine well, and it just slides right on. Again, doesn't take any screws, and then the handguard portion simply locks onto the original sling mount. And then again, you have a pair of just clips that go on to further lock it into place. I don't know where this goes. Oh, it's part of the barrel assembly. Okay. Then, the barrel portion just goes on like a standard Nerf barrel attachment and locks into place like that. And I assume this is for either some sort of cosmetic barrel that you can add or a flashlight that you could mount or anything else, but it does come with a plug that you can just put in there for now to fill that, so you don't have to deal with that. It comes with Picatinny rail attached to it, and then there is a Picatinny rail that's supposed to get attached that just slides onto the top there, but I don't have that. I don't have either of the rails. So that is all there is to installing it. It's super simple, super groovy. They then do come with these nifty little stickers that are rough and allow for basically just cosmetics. Just gives you a little bit more grip. You could also use it to strike a match if you really felt like it. Lovely. It comes with two colors, black and looks like kind of a gray or a tan, depending on what you wanted to go with. I, of course, really like the black look. I will eventually need to paint this stripe black. I'm going to stick with the orange body just so it is, you know, a little bit more obvious. And I may end up going with a longer barrel, just so that I could possibly attach one of those flash suppressors that I was given. Possibly not. If nothing else, I need a little bit longer barrel just so it has an orange tip, because, I mean, there is a little bit of orange there, but not enough. So yeah, next thing I need to get is, of course, the rail, and I do actually have, I haven't put it on yet, I do have the motor cover that I got printed, but I haven't attached it yet because I wasn't sure if I was going to end up switching out motors or what all I was going to be using this as a test bed for, so I didn't bother to put that on yet, but I have that. Then I just need the additional rail. the 2 bits on either side here and the top rail, and then I would be pretty much good to go. Maybe a sling mount, because I do like using a single point sling. It does kind of have a hole back here, but I prefer having the sling actually mount at the handle, just because that's more comfortable and a little bit more functional. It doesn't hang down as low. So we will see if anybody is interested in, if they have something like that. It's really solid. It wouldn't be hard to add a sling mount. Yeah, so there it is. The next step in my cosmetic Stryfe upgrades, as well as functional Stryfe upgrades. Thanks entirely to Banggood for sending me this kit, because I've always wanted one since they first came out, but could never quite justify it to myself. See how it works. Yep, it will work just fine with the 22 round magazine, which is fantastic. It obviously doesn't work with drums, but I don't generally carry drums in wars because they take up too much room on your loadout, though I have seen people who have found ways to mount half a dozen drums on themselves. But I like the 22s. I need to get a bunch more of those. I believe this screw hole is actually a sling mount hole. This is where they've got sling mounts that thumb screw in, and you can attach it right there and then hang your sling off of that. So I will definitely need to get one of those sling mounts. Definitely need to get the rail, possibly an extended barrel, maybe a canted foregrip, who knows. There's all sorts of little kits that you could get. If you have any suggestions, definitely will be interested in suggestions down in the comments, or just general comments, concerns, ideas. Go ahead and put those down there as well, and as always, thank you guys for watching.